Hey, go everyone, back again. So not a great deal to tell today. So I've been concentrating on trying to get some of these ones going. They've got like faulty screens. You can see that's the big line in the screen. We've got another one over here. I'm doing pretty much the exact same sort of laptop. You kind of see poor things kind of there in pieces, just kind of chilling out. I've got it on the got it up on the big screen, trying to fire up. Oh, might be restarting. So that's the screen. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it's restarting. So that's the screen out of it, and the body's in good condition, but the screen is completely trashed. I did try and see if I could separate them, because some of these you can separate the glass and the LCD, and it's a lot cheaper to do it that way. But otherwise, no, nothing. I've already priced up the screen, so the screen's $200 for that one, which is all right because it came in that other batch. So we should have a good run on that one. That it's a i7 10th gen with 16 gig of RAM, and I don't think it had a hard drive in it, but it'll have a 500 once it's finished. And same goes with this one here. But that one is is that 12th gen? I don't know. Let's find out. Might be 11th gen as well, just a better processor. There you go, 11th gen. So 32 gig. Ooh. So that one should go for some really good money. They're quite desirable, that model. Bloody expensive actually. So, but the problem is there's the screen on them, because I think they're a 4K screen on those. So I think if I'm lucky I can get the screen for like $300-400, but it's like a $800-900 laptop. So let's say for instance I get $600-200, but if I can't get 600, there's no point. These ones they go for around 600. So once again, you know, if I'm going to spend $200 on it, I want to get at least 400 to 600. So, which once again, very desirable sort of laptop. So sorry, it's been a long day. It's 9 o'clock at night, and we're just kind of wrapping everything up. Now I haven't listed anything at all, and I have sold some stuff, but nothing crazy. I haven't dropped the TVs off yet, so I haven't even got that to report in. Haven't listed any of the MacBooks. I barely worked on the MacBooks today, to be honest. I did some work this morning, got a few done, but that's it. I really haven't got any further. I've been trying to do some board work on a couple, completely unsuccessfully. But look, there's a plan there for it, so it's not all over. But I've got so much stuff due in, and nothing's come in. The only thing that came in today was a laptop. One laptop, which was a broken laptop. I knew it was broken when I bought it, so it's fine. But I bought it for a reason, because I got another laptop the same that's also broken, but they're both broken in different ways, and I'm hoping I can kind of use each of them. So the only thing I've got in today is one laptop, but the bonus is that laptop is going to be able to help me get another one going, which I've already crossed off a few things from that other laptop by having that laptop here. So now it's just going to be a case of seeing what I can do. And the other laptop has a locked BIOS, so I'm hoping that the BIOS is good in this one I've bought, so I can copy it. And they're identical. They're both HP laptops. They're identical laptops, so I'm hoping that I can use. And once again, I bought that one with a locked BIOS. No, it was locked. Thinking that maybe I could at some point be able to unlock it, but look, all we can do is try. I am going to call it a day from here, but it is going to be short and sweet and no updates on anything. So I do apologise that it's been a few days. I did sell there was a bit of stuff that sold on eBay, and on top of that there was also another iPad sold today, but that's it. So it's pretty nothing out there at the moment, but that's all right. Like, I'm not worried about it. We're fine, but I'm just keeping it real. I want to tell you the truth, but we must be 20 days in now, and I need to play some catch up, but it's just time. You just don't realise how fast the time gets away from you. You start the day and you're all fresh and ready to go, and then you get to the other end of the day and you're like, what happened to it? So, yeah, but that's all right. Onwards and upwards. I'm going to let you people go. Have a great afternoon, night, morning, whatever it is in your area, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.